Hi, and welcome back to our tutorial video series. Today, I will quickly show you how to make the most out of our ESG Document Chat. More specifically, I will go through how to upload a document using Document Chat and some best practices for asking questions, and how to export and work with your results. Let's dive in. To create a new Document Chat, you start from simply uploading a document. You can add a document from your files by hitting the big plus button here, or drag and drop a new document. If this is not your first time using Briink, you will see the documents you've already uploaded here. If this is your first time uploading a document, you will have to wait for your document to finish processing before being able to initiate a chat. This will only happen when you upload the document for the first time, but once the document is uploaded, you will be able to reuse it anytime without extra waiting times. This is why it's highly recommended to select documents you have already uploaded from this list instead of re-uploading documents each time, as this will drastically reduce waiting times and help you go faster with your assessments. Finally, remember that you can upload multiple documents. However, make sure to upload multiple documents that pertain to the same company and, if possible, to the same year, as doing otherwise might cause the tool to hallucinate and provide false results. Once your documents are done processing, it's time to chat. You can ask any question that regards information that is included in the document. However, Document Chat performs best with questions that pertain to ESG or sustainability topics. You can also ask the tool to return answers in a specific format, for example, as bullet points or in a tabular format. This can be helpful to obtain answers on quantitative metrics, such as GHG emissions. When it comes to crafting your questions, always make sure to be as specific as possible. Simply using keywords will likely not be enough to generate the answer you're looking for. Instead, ask full questions. Another good practice entails breaking down a bigger question into smaller sub-questions, and avoid opinion or value-based questions, such as, is this a sustainable company? That should be the job of the analyst, really. Finally, a key feature of our ESG Document Chat is the ability to check references. You will find the page's number just under your generated answers. Simply click on them to scroll to the section of the document that was relevant for your answer. If you use multiple documents, you will also find the name of the file that was used to generate the answer. Great! That was a very quick overview of our ESG Document Chat. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us via Intercom. You can also find more articles and resources on how to craft great prompts in our knowledge base.